break it all down, here is my top 5 tips for interior photography for real estate agents and you guys. So first one is going to be the camera equipment. We've run through it, but just a very, very basic breakdown. We've got the wide angle lens, we've got the DSLR, manual control, very, very key. External flash, balances the stuff coming in through the windows and the light coming through there. The tripod stops that shaky image, and obviously the laser measurer, just because we're not in the Stone Ages anymore, and laser measurer is going to help you out with those measurements of your floor plan. Number 2, we're looking at the positioning. So we've mentioned it in earlier videos, trying to get into the corner, opening up the room, making it look super, super big. No one wants to, plonk themselves in a room and just take a picture of the wardrobe, to be fair. Number 3, we have also got the hero shot, or the exterior. Make sure you take the exterior. A lot of the guys, in my experience, training photographers and stuff, try not to take an exterior if something's in the way. Even if something is in the way, go and shoot at any rate. You might be driving past, the next week, take another shot. But from, a buyer's perspective, it might be a case of, or the mindset is that you're hiding something. So, you want to be as transparent as possible. Get the external. It's key shot. Take lots of images. I'd say taking lots of images is going to be key. No point in going to a property and only taking 5, and then it sits there, and then you've got to go back and take another set of images, only taking 5. You've got to go back again. Take tons, take 25, 30, 40, 50. You never know what kind of a nugget is hiding inside there. In my experience, some of my best images have been, I'll just take it just for backup, and then it ends up on a big screen and you're like, oh, I actually really quite like this image. This is really good. I'm going to use it as, some of the core marketing material. And then home staging, that's the big one. I think getting the vendor or whoever lives there really to tidy the stuff up. You don't want to waste time tidying up someone's stuff. But at the same time, you don't also want to see it on the listing with someone's washing in the background in the kitchen. So making sure that you tidy stuff up is key. It will just make the image look a lot cleaner, a lot slicker, a lot more professional, that's for sure. So they're my top 5 tips for interior photography.